Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Acuity Scheduling tutorial, how to use Acuity Scheduling. So first is first, all you have to do is go to any web browser and look for Acuity. Then what you're going to do next is tap on Get Started if you don't have an account yet. So if you have an account, just tap on Sign In or Log In. So it would be easier for you to create an account if you just tap on Connect to your Google account. But everything is up to you. You can also tap on Continue with your email, password. But all you have to do here is just select that Google account that you have and then wait for a couple of seconds and then you can now create an account. So to start, all you have to do is to create a new Acuity scheduling trial since I'm just using the trial version. So I'm going to click the new one here and then tap on next. So wait for a couple of seconds as it is starting. Now, what you're going to do here is you just have to simply think of that meeting or appointment that you want to create. So here you have one-on-one and you have group meeting. So if you want to do just one-on-one appointment, just select the first one here. Or if it's a group session, then select the second one. Let's just say I will be offering online teaching service. So that is the name up right here. I'm going to type online teaching, but everything is up to you. So let's just say, so I'm going to add description right here. So you can ask ChatGPT for that, or you can create your own description. So this is my sample description right here. And then after that, you can also add a short message after booking, like a booking confirmation. So this is an example of a booking confirmation, but actually this one is optional. You can copy this one or you can ask ChatGPT for that. For duration, let's just say my online teaching appointment will last up to 1 hour, then I can change this from 30 minutes to 1 hour, or everything is up to you, 2 hours, or let's just say 15 minutes. You can change it right here. And then for the second one, this one is optional, so you can add or you can skip this part. Now below is the price. So let's just say for every appointment or online teaching, I want to ask for $50. And then for category, for example, if you're not just offering online teaching, then you can create a category right here. For example, category one is teaching, category two is, let's just say, if you are a gym instructor, then you can just also add another category for that. Now for color, it indicates that for this day on your calendar, if you can see red, then that is online teaching appointment. So you can slide on or toggle on private, but actually this one is optional. For images, let's just say if you have your own company or if you have your own website, then you can create a logo for your appointment services. So you can create that using Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. I strongly suggest to use this one. Now, if you are using the free version, it's okay, but I strongly suggest also to use the Pro version of Canva to unlock other features here. So go to Canva, go to design, look for logo, and then type on teaching. You can see different templates right here, and all you have to do is to change that name. So for example, my online teaching service is Bright Bridge Tutorial or Tutoring. I can change the background color, I can change the element, the image. So everything is up to you. Then once you're done, then all you have to do is tap on the share button above, and then you have to make sure that this one is PNG. So tap on or select PNG and then tap on download. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once done, you can now go back to your Acuity, upload the image. You can replace or delete it anytime. It's up to you. And then after that, below here, you can just probably look for the calendar. Or if you have other calendars, you can also connect it right here. If you have forms, but I don't have one, this one is optional. And then once you're done with everything, then tap on create. So if you see that you cannot proceed, maybe something is wrong. So for example, I have added tons of descriptions right here. So I have to delete a few words. Okay. And then once you cannot see the red, lines right here, then you can now proceed. And this is what it looks like. So once you have published this one, then all you have to do is to copy and then paste the link or share the link. For the meantime, I can only let you see the preview version since I haven't posted this one yet. So once you have posted this, then all you have to do is to copy and then paste and send it to your client or customer. Once they click that link, then it will take them directly to your site. So I'm going to show you the site. This is what it looks like. Let's just say you are the client, you're the customer. All you have to do is to select the time right here. By the way, if you have other appointments, then your customer can see that too. So they can only book at the date and time where you are available. So for example, I'm going to click the time right here. I'm going to add my name, my phone number, and then my email, and then submit, and then you will receive that after. So basically that's it. Then you will receive that one, and then you will see the information and then proceed. So that's how easy it is to use or do this Acuity scheduling tutorial. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.